Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all the Easter eggs location in Heartopia game during the Wonder Egg Hunt event. Okay, let's get into it guys. For the egg location part 1, you can check on my previous video. And in this video, I'm going to show you the part 2. And in the part 2, I'm going to show you where you can find the Fanya's Easter egg, Mr. Jones' Easter egg, Bailey J's Easter egg, and also Blang's Easter egg. Okay, for the first one, I'm going to show you where the Mrs. Jones Easter egg is. So you can go to her store and the egg will be right here. Wait, let me get closer. It's on the second floor. Okay, this is Mrs. Jones Easter egg ornament. And the next one, I'm going to show you where you can find Bailey J's Easter egg. Okay, it's here guys. And I'm going to take a picture of it. Okay, Bailey J's Easter egg ornament. And the next one, I'm going to find Fanya's Easter egg. Okay guys, this is Fanya's Easter egg and it's located on the Garden Street. You can go to this area. Let me show you. Okay, it's on the Garden Street and you can take a picture of it. Okay, the next one, I'm going to show you where you can find the Blangs Easter egg. To find the Blangs Easter egg, you need to go to the Blang store right here, still on the Garden Street, and you're going to find this umbrella. Then this is Blang's Easter egg. I'm going to take a picture of it, and I'm going to show you the location, guys. It's here. Okay, and I'm going to go back to the Wonder Egg Hunt and claim the ornament. Okay guys, and that's all the Easter eggs locations in Heartopia game during the Wonder Egg Hunt event. Don't forget to check my previous video if you want to see the part 1. I hope this video will be useful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching and bye!